Hi and welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about Hermes Agent. Now for those of you who don't know what an autonomous agent is, it's pretty much something that is going to work for you, is going to integrate with your messaging apps and even your workflows and do everything for you. We already have a very popular alternative to this, which is OpenClaw, but Hermes Agent is better than OpenClaw. And why would I say that? Because it has a self-learning loop integrated in it. So this is a one-of-a-kind AI agent with a self-improving AI agent built by Nose Research, and it is the only agent with the built-in learning loop. It creates skills from experience, improves them during use, and nudges itself to persist knowledge. And it searches its own past conversations and builds a deepening model of who you are across sessions. You can run this over at different platforms. Now, this is only available for macOS, Linux, and Termux for Android. But in this video, we're going to do little tweaks. I'm going to explore a loophole through which you can actually run this on your Windows. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to set this up and install this on your Windows for free. And we're going to be using free models, which means we're going to be using Ollama on a computer. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first things first, you're going to need WSO installed on your Windows because this is going to make sure that you have a Linux or an Ubuntu environment running on your Windows terminal. And once you install this, this is pretty simple. You just have to copy this command right over here, go to your terminal and just paste that in. It should install WSO. But as soon as you install this, you can just click on this arrow right over here and you can open up Ubuntu. So this is where we're going to install Ollama and we're going to install Hermes as well. So let me just close this out and clear this. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and install Ollama. For that, all we have to do is just say download Ollama. And here select our operating system, which is Linux. Let's copy this, go back here, paste that and hit enter. So this should ask for your root password if you're not on root. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, here, this is the password and it's going to start installing Ollama. So depending on the speed of your internet, it might take some time. Now, once you're done installing Ollama, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the GitHub repo and here you just have to copy this command right over here if you don't have Hermes installed. But if you have Hermes installed, you can just jump to this next step. So you can skip this quick install step if you already have Hermes installed. So let me just go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go back to our terminal, the Ubuntu one, and paste that in right here and hit enter. That's it. So it's going to check for everything and start installing stuff that is not available, like dependencies and environments, as well as packages like FFmpeg and stuff. If this information overwhelms you, don't worry about it. It's not that complicated, just the names. So once this is done, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Ollama and here you're going to search for a model which is cloud-based because we're going to go and use Ollama for free. So we're going to go with cloud models. So we're going to go with Quen 3.5. It has a cloud variation to it. So that will be easier for you to run on your local computer without having a good hardware. But before that, you just have to sign in with Ollama. That's pretty easy. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. You can use your Google account for that. Pretty easy. And once you sign in, you can just go here and into your profile. And once you go there, you can see your usage. So here's the session usage. So you have a rate limiting, but you have free cloud usage. So we're going to utilize that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to go back to that model, the Quen 3.5. So let me just go ahead and search that. And here I'm going to scroll down to Hermes Agent. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Back here in my terminal, I'm just going to paste that in, but just add one little thing to it. Colon and then cloud, because we're going to run this model in the cloud. So as soon as you copy and paste that command in, it's going to run this right over here. As you can see, we're running Quen 3.5 cloud right over here. Now, this was the easiest way and the fastest way to set up Hermes locally on your computer. Do let me know if you want me to go in depth with Hermes because we have tons of different use cases with it. We can go ahead and integrate tools and skill systems with it. So I will be making a video on that, on integrating Discord or maybe Telegram and also automating some of the quant jobs that I have. So with that said, let's wrap this video up and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.